I'll share the context from my side. Prisma, our role in this is to organize the hackathons, as you know, and where we're coming from is a background in regenerative design. And so we work a lot with nested systems like this. And that's a key shift in perspective to go from seeing the summit as just like the project, one component, to seeing it actually as part of larger systems and made up of subcomponents as well. So when you bring the hubs into the picture, it looks a bit like this. You've got the summit, and you've got obviously WADA coordinating a lot of things, and then you've got each of the hubs and participants within each hub. What we're trying to do is create an environment for each hub where they can publish the work of each team. And that environment is made up of about 3 to 4 distinct apps. And these apps address a different purpose. So you have things like registering, docs writing, and a couple of other apps which is a little bit less formed. What that's meant to do is give each hub the capability to organize its own hackathon very effectively. Okay. So that was why when I hear, oh, we're going to onboard into the code base, I was like, might need to sort of like take a second to pause there and expand on that, because we have about 6 different code bases in total. I think rather than going into the detail of each app, let's just stay at a higher level for now. Are there any questions at this point?
No.
Was it clear what I said?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So what is coming up in the next couple of weeks is that we want to deploy. Well, first of all, we call this set of applications a publishing stack. And we want to deploy the publishing stack to every hub. So we have called that process propagation. So we propagate the stack to each hub. We've built a little app for that where they enter some key information. They connect their GitHub, they connect their Vercel, they select which apps they want to have deployed, and then they deploy, and it basically automates the whole process of forking those apps into their own GitHub organization and then deploying them on their own Vercel. So hopefully, if we do this well, the next screen after you click deploy will be a list of about 5 apps with a custom subdomain for each hub. So it will say, let's call your hub, no, we'll use Blockchain Center as an example. There would be an app on register.bcc.wada.org, docs.bcc.wada.org, enacting, evaluating. And in that way, you can access each app, and it's on the hub's own cloud infrastructure.